Hello there, Adam here, or as you know me online, Prockstem. And today we're going to talk about how to upload a freestyle poem start to finish. But first of all, check out the link below. There's a link to a poetry book, poetry writing manual book. Basically explains you all about the poetry, all you need to know about poetry and how to write it. It's free. Check it out. Okay, let's move to the screen now. I'll show you examples on how to write the freestyle poetry and how to plot it from start to finish. Okay, welcome to the screen. Let's go to the Word document and how to plot a freestyle poem start to finish. Decide what you want to write about by selecting a title or starting to write with the first line of your poem. Number 2, go with the inner flow. This is very important. You have like an emotional compost there in your soul that collects all the experiences and feelings, and that's where you gather your energy and knowledge and wisdom to write about those things that bother you daily or on temporary level. Okay, number 3, edit the poem. Edit the poem. It's basically make it presentable, give it final touches, make sure the grammar is right, make sure it's clear and understandable. Sign it, put a name on it, make sure the copyright law guards your rights to your poem by giving it a signature of your name. Post it somewhere online and collect 100 of those into a book and then publish it. And those are the 5 steps, and let's try and follow them a couple of times just to see how it's done. Okay, the point number 1, I'll give the title Tortured by Friend. Well, can't be tortured by a friend, tortured by frenemy. Frenemy. Friend, the enemy. And wordplay. Okay. There were those signs, those little signs, lies and betrayal. Betrayal towards me. Life is no picnic. It is a battle. It's a battle with all kinds of enemies. Until you find your own place. Until you find your own peace. You battle desperately with all those enemies. Okay, this is the poem, basically 3 stanzas, 3 lines each stanza, and this is the flow. Don't forget to sign it, guarded with copyright law. Prockstem. Okay, this is poem number 1. I can put it somewhere online, but I prefer to collect those for later publications. And edit the poem. Where are those signs? Those little signs. Lies and betrayal towards me. Life is no picnic, it is a battle with all kind of frenemies. All kind of frenemies. Until you find your own place. Until you find your own peace. You battle desperate with all those frenemies. Just frenemies. some commas, edit, okay, decide, go with your info, do the poem, sign. Okay, we've done all 5 of the required steps. Let's do another one. Different page. I'll title it The Battle in Within. Shadow playing tune of doubt. You step around. You step around. You look for truth. But truth is nowhere found. I claim it's a lie. Truth itself is gone tonight. The bloody enemy is not the God or devil. The bloody enemy is cowardness. People going to heaven. Of people living on earth as if they are in heaven. Okay, time to sign it. Okay, battling within the shadow, playing a tune of doubt. You step around, you step around. You look for truth, but truth is nowhere found. I claim it's a lie. Truth itself is gone tonight. The bloody enemy is not the God or devil. Not the God. It's not a God. The God or devil. The blood enemy is cowardness. People living on earth as if they are in heaven. Well, this is number 2. We decided on a title. We went with the inner flow. We edited the poem, we signed it, and we kept it for later. Okay, we're done with all the steps. This is how you do it basically. How to upload a freestyle poem, start to finish. Thank you for watching. And this is how you do it basically. You write your poem from start to finish. You give it a title, you sign it, you keep it for later or post it on allpoetry.com, and you become a freestyle poet. Da-da-da-da. Basically, with several years of practice, you're gonna be as good as I am, maybe even better. But don't let the machines do all the work, because they do try to steal our art, but they cannot steal our hearts. Check out my book once again, it will help you tremendously. Thank you for watching, cheers.